Have you ever wanted to see an employee's complete CTC breakup without opening salary structure preview? Well, Frappe HRMS version 16 has introduced a brand new employee CTC breakup report, and it makes salary analysis much easier for HR and payroll teams. Let me show you. First, let's look at the salary structure. This is where all the earning and deduction components are configured. For example, basic pay, house rent allowance, special allowance, and provident fund. You can define them using formulas or fixed amounts depending on your organization's payroll policy. Now let's move to the salary structure assignment. This is where we assign the salary structure to an employee along with the effective date and monthly CTC. Once the assignment is done, the new report automatically fetches all of this information. Now, let's look at the highlight of this update, the new Employee CTC Breakup Report. This report gives you a complete salary overview on a single screen. Right at the top, you can instantly see the annual CTC, monthly CTC, monthly gross pay, and monthly net pay. Below that, every earning and deduction component is displayed in a clean and easy-to-understand format. For every salary component, you can see the calculation formula or fixed amount, the monthly value, the annual value, and even the percentage contribution to the total CTC. This means no more manual calculations, no more switching between multiple documents, and no more confusion while explaining salary structures. Everything is available in one place. This makes salary verification, employee discussions, payroll reviews, and HR audits much faster and much more transparent. This is definitely one of the most useful payroll additions in Frappe HRMS. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next Frappe and ERP Next update.